Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic is Universal Shift Register. Okay, Universal Shift Register is a 4-bit bidirectional shift register with parallel load. Okay, it is a bidirectional shift register with parallel load. Means bidirectional shift register means what? It performs right shift, left shift when mode is 0, when mode is sorry, when mode is 1 right shift, when mode is 0 left shift, right? Now again, parallel load. What is parallel load? Parallel load also perform two operations. When mode is 0, it performs load store operation, right? It performs store. When mode is equal to 1, it performs load operation, right? Road operation. This mode is direction mode, right? Direction. This mode is what? Load, right? Means we have now universal shift register means combining these two operations. We have to combine these two operations means total 4 operation. How many controls we have? Two controls, direction control, load control. So have you observed this one? We have two controls, means two selection lines, right? Two selection lines, two selection lines, four outputs, four outputs. Those outputs are, and each condition output is taken as flip-flop input, right? So have you observed selection line, four inputs, one output is known as 4 by 1 multiplexer, right? 4 by 1 multiplexer. So I am taking 4 by 1 multiplexer now. 4 by 1 multiplexer. Okay. We have four inputs, right? Two selection line S0, S1, 4 by 1. This is the output given to flip-flop. This output is given to flip-flop. Okay. Now, what are the inputs now you have to give? Let us decide yourself and form a table. S1, S0. 0, 0 means I am taking store the data. Store data. Okay. Means 0, 1, 2, 3. This is I0, I1, I2, I3, right? So I0 I am taking as store data. Okay. I0 0, 1, 2, 3. For 0 I am giving store data inputs. Okay. Next for 0, 1 I am taking right shift. So I am taking here right shift, left shift. Here I am taking parallel load. 1, 0 left shift, 1, 1 parallel load. Okay. These are the conditions I am taken to design a universal shift register. See. Okay. 0, 0 means no change, means stored data. 0, 1 means shift right. 1, 0 means shift left. 1, 1 means parallel load. Okay. Now inputs. What are the inputs for flip-flop? I am designing 4-bit now. I am designing 4-bit. So we require 4 flip-flops. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? No change means what are the inputs? No change means what are the inputs? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, right? Hmm. Shift right means what are the inputs to flip flop? Right shift, right shift input. Right? For first flip flop, right shift input. Q1, Q2, Q3. For left shift, it is Q2, Q3, Q4, left shift input. Right? Left shift input. Next, for parallel load, we take D1, D2, D3, D4. D1, D2, D3, D4. Right? It is given at mux 3, 2, 1, 0. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3. We prepare a table like this. Just prepare the table. So 0, 0, 0, 1. So selection line is common for all flip flops. Okay. So I0 is Q1, I1 is RS, Q2 D1. Okay, we forming the table like this. Now after forming table, you have to draw the circuit. See, this is the circuit. So let us see. We have 4 flip flop, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 multiplexer, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So for first multiplexer, what are the inputs? See, so each multiplexer output is connected to D. Each multiplexer output is connected to D. So selection lines, I am giving directly selection lines like this. Selection lines. So S0, S1 are selection line. I am giving directly like this. Okay. Next, for first mux means D1 mux, what are the values? Let us see the previous table. What are the values? Q1 RS in Q2 D1, right? See, this is Q1, right? Q1. Next RS in. Next Q2. See, this is Q2. Next D1. Similarly, for this one Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay. For one, we giving right shift. So Q1. This is Q1. Next Q2, Q3. Right? Next left shift. For left shift, for first flip flop, you have to get Q2, right? Q2. We have to get Q3 here. Next Q4. Here we get left shift input, right? Left shift input. Next for third one, D4, D3, D2, D1. So this is the universal shift register. It performs 4 operations. What is storing, right shift, left shift, and last one is parallel load. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, sorry, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is the universal shift register.